Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about The Road Not Taken, ninth class first poem of Beehive, composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, poet wants to give us suggestions about the future that in front of us always we counter with the choices like that what should be better for us, so we have to make decision to choose a way for our future. And little I want to tell you about the Robert Frost. Robert Frost, a famous American poet who composed many familiar poems: The Road Not Taken, Mending Wall, Fire and Ice, so on and so on. Now, which is our course poem? We will discuss about the poem. In this poem, poet wants to express The Road Not Taken is one of the finest poem by Robert Frost. The poem has a deep meaning. It deals with the problem of making a right choice in front of us. So many choices, but we have to make a right choice. According to poet, we have to decide a way for our future. Many times in our life we face alternative choices. It is often difficult to decide which one of the to choose, but the decisions we take influence our future. Only our choice which makes our future different. So it's our own decision that which choice we will choose for our future, which is better for our future. In the same way, poet wants to express when he encounter the same situation, and he express his feeling through the poem The Road Not Taken. As we go through the poem, we start. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. In the poem, poet wants to express his feeling through the wood. Wood, you know very well, that is forest. And according to the poet, a yellow wood, that means that refers autumn season. Everything is dried up. And now he feeling sorry because he could not travel on the both road, because when he moved in front of him a single road diverged in two roads and he had to choose one of them because he is single traveler there. Long I stood and looked down as far as I could. For a long time he stood there and he wanted to make decision that which way is better for him. But feeling sorry, when he looked, he found he see how much he can see. One way which is bent in the undergrowth, that means in the bushes. Then took the other. Then he looked down his way on the other way, just as fair and same looking. He found that both roads are same and having perhaps the better claim, और शायद से ये better claim कर रहा था, because it was grassy and wanted wear. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ग्रासी यानी कि अच्छा लुक दे रहा था. And wanted wear, that means used by some people, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Now, poet wants that he made a choice and accepted the challenging path. He took the unexplored path in his life. He wanted to do something different in his life, so he chose the less traveled road. No, and he never regret on that because he feel gratitude that because he is a challenging traveler, he accept challenges in his life. And in the next line, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. And on that morning, both roads are equally seen. All leaves are fresh and no trodden leaves and no black leaves. After the having steps on them, leaves are trodden black. जो लीव्स होती हैं वो ब्लैक हो जाती हैं जब हम उन पे पैर रखते हैं, बट उस दिन वो दोनों ही रास्ते बिल्कुल फ्रेश लग रहे थे. ओह, नाउ पोएट वांट्स टू डिसाइड that he will keep the first way next in the future whenever he comes in the future, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now poet thinking about that he will come or not, he is doubted about that. उन्हें ये शक है कि वो पता नहीं फिर कभी आ पाएंगे कि नहीं, लेकिन वो जब भी कभी यदि आ पाए तो वो फर्स्ट वे को ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करेंगे या उन पर जाएंगे. आई शैल बी टेलिंग दिस विद अ साई. वो यहाँ पर कहना चाहते हैं कि मैं यहाँ पर कंफर्टेबल हूँ ये कहते हुए कि दैट समवेयर एजेस एंड एजेस हैंस द टू रोड डाइवर्स इन वुड and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. मैं ये कहूँगा कि बहुत सारी एजेस आएंगी और चली जाएंगी. ऐसे ही दो रास्ते डाइवर्स होंगे. डाइवर्स दैट मीन्स बटेंगे डिफरेंट रास्तों में. एक रास्ता दो रास्तों में बट जाएगा वुड के अंदर मतलब फॉरेस्ट के अंदर. दैट मीन्स इन आवर फ्यूचर प्लान्स वी फाउंड चॉइसेस लाइक द रोड एंड वी हैव टू मेक डिसीजंस. एंड आई, यहाँ पर मैं एक ट्रैवलर होने के नाते मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैंने वो रास्ता चुना जो बहुत कम लोगों के द्वारा ट्रैवल किया गया था. वन लेस ट्रैवल्ड बाय. आई टुक द one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. और इसी की वजह से मेरी लाइफ में जो चेंजेस आए हैं वो सब मेरे डिसीजंस की वजह से आए हैं कि जो मैंने डिसीज़न लिया वो सभी डिफरेंस मेरे डिसीज़न ने मुझे दिया है. एंड नाउ पोएट वांट्स टू एक्सप्रेस हिज फीलिंग दैट वी शुड डिसाइड बाय आवर ओन वे. हमें अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में अपना डिसीज़न अपने हिसाब से लेना चाहिए. यहाँ पर पोएट यही समझाना चाहते हैं कि जो हमारी चॉइसेस होती हैं हमारे सामने उसका डिसीज़न हमें बड़े ही सोच के लेना चाहिए. उन्होंने बहुत ही सोच समझकर जो रास्ता चुना वो क्या था, थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि पोएट बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग है. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.